Oils are so great, oils are so nice, and if you're an OG on this channel, you probably know that I'm an oil lover. I use oil almost all the time. I use body oil almost all the time, and this recipe I want to talk to you about in this video as well contains vitamin E. But for me, to be honest with you guys, there hasn't been Harmattan for like 2 weeks or 3 weeks now. I struggle with using oils, but for people who love to use oil maybe at night, this might be a recipe that you might probably want to try out. And to think these oils that I want to review in this video is so good, so nice, so natural, is not going to give you any reaction unless you are allergic to maybe any ingredients inside of the oil. In as much as you're not allergic to any of the ingredients, then definitely this is an oil that you can work with. Hi, if you're just joining me for the first time, my name is Olubukola. Thank you for clicking on this video. Please give this video a thumbs up and help me click on the subscribe button, turn your bell notification on so that you get notified anytime that there is an upload from. So today guys, I'm going to be giving you guys a recipe, a oil recipe, and as well review the main ingredients in this oil recipe that I want to talk about. I've reviewed gold oils, I think 2 years back. They are lemongrass. I think I reviewed the multivitamin and I reviewed the cinnamon, and these oils are great, and I still even have some in my wardrobe with me. These oils are great, especially the lemon and as well the multivitamin ones. Now over time they release a lot of other ones. I think I've seen the kojic, I've seen other ones, the snail one as well. In today's video I am going to be telling or talking to you guys about the vitamin C and turmeric one, because this is a very good oil, especially those who complain, I want to grow my skin naturally, I don't want to use anything to damage my skin, I don't want to do stuff. If you're not new to vitamin C and turmeric, you will know this is a great lightening oil. All right, and I'm going to be talking about how you can mix it, and I can give you a go ahead to sell this particular one because it is pretty much very safe and very easy to kind of like mix together. All you have to do is just to measure your oil in a clean and sanitized bowl and mix together and pack. But the vitamin C and turmeric one is a very great mixture. So now if you want to mix these two oils together, I don't want you to use it directly on your skin just like that. I still want you to add a carrier oil to it and as well a vitamin E oil. And if you now want to take it a step further, then you can add in some safe serums like glutathione serum, kojic acid serum, Moroccan serum, or pure Egyptian serum. These 4 serums are safe, and they are serums that can as well be used on the face. So even if you use this oil, there are still some oils. There are people who have tough skin and they go well with using oils on their face. These people, this oil can pass for their face if you know you want to use oil on your face, because it is pretty much very so the vitamin C and the turmeric one is the one you're going to be needing if you want to use this recipe. The Grit Good vitamin C and turmeric one is one you're going to be needing. So you can just measure up maybe 100 ml of vitamin C and as well 100 ml of the turmeric oil. Then you're going to get a carrier oil of your choice. I over time work with sunflower oil. I love it so much because it's just kind of like a very light oil as well, and it mixes well with the majority of the things that I mix inside my oils. So if you know you can work with almond oil, that's fine on your part. If that's what you have, that's pretty much very okay. You have options, so you can go for sunflower oil or you go for almond oil. So if you're mixing 100 ml of your vitamin C Grit Good oil and as well 100 ml of your turmeric Grit Good oil, then you're probably going to be needing about 120 ml of your carrier oil and as well 30 ml of your vitamin E oil. So this can be mixed together and serve as a glowing oil for all skin types. Maybe you're light, maybe you're dark, caramel. This is like for everyone that can use this particular oil. Let's say you want to sell it and you want to take it a step further. That is when those serums that I talk about comes in. Trust me, this serum over the years is very safe. If you're an OG on this channel, these are serums that I've talked to you guys about. I've tried them, I've used them in recipes, I've used them over time, and they have proven to deliver a very good job, especially glutathione and kojic acid serum. And you guys know all of these things. Kojic acid serum for face as well. These are pretty much very safe serum. So if you want to take the mixture of this oil to a next level, then you can decide to add maybe kojic acid serum, glutathione serum, Moroccan serum, or pure Egyptian serum. These 4 serums, I love them so much. I've never used it for anyone, or any client recommended to has never complained to me about it at all. I can always work with them, and even people that I know using this serum, a lot of them are actually using it on their face. For people who want to add serums into a cream for their face. These 4 serums that I talk about, especially the glutathione and the Kodic one, are so nice. So this is a way that you can mix this oil and you can basically just, it's very simple, but this oil is so good. You check the VitGo turmeric bottle, you will see it works for dark spots, it works for knuckles, because turmeric are great. You might have probably come across a lot of DIYs on YouTube telling you how to use turmeric for your knuckles. Turmeric are great lightening, brightening ingredients, and vitamin C as well. These two coming together with a good carrier oil and vitamin E is going to serve a purpose on your skin, and it's pretty much a very nice combination. Not too much of ingredient that you start having reaction or stuff. No, you are not, unless you are allergic to turmeric. That's the only time that you can have a reaction. Use good vitamin E oil, the one that does not have bad smell, but you do not mess up the smell of the oil, and this oil smells so nice. So you might probably not even need to add an additional fragrance to it. So this is a very good recipe that you can follow. This is a recipe that I know that can help you. This is a recipe that you can sell just in case you want to start selling maybe glowing oil or lightening oil. These two oil can pass. This is a recipe that can definitely work for you, and VitGo has proven to do so many amazing oils. Like when I was using the lemon and the multivitamin one as well, it was so nice. Coming across this one this time around and people telling me, oh, these oils are work so nice, why are you not talking about it, actually made me decided to share with you guys and tell you guys how you can use and how you can mix them. Now, if you have ever used this oil, please let me know in the comment section, how does it work for you? Do you like it? Do you like it? I so much love the smell when mixed together. You might probably not want to use it during the day because the weather is very hot, freaking hot. Even right now, me talking to you guys, I'm sweating. So you might probably not want to use it during the day. You might want to use it during the night, or maybe you have an AC or you are in an environment whereby AC is available for you for the entire day. That's when you can decide to use oil. But I can tell you that the oil might make you sweat a bit. This is just a review directly from somebody who has been using VitGo oil. So this is what I want to share with you guys. And if you think this really helps you, or you know someone this recipe is really going to help, please forward to them, share with your friends as well. And before you go, do me a favor, smash the subscribe button and make sure you give this video a thumbs up to help my algorithm, and I will definitely talk to you guys in the next one.